There once was a woman. Her name was Miss Pratt. She lived with a bird and a dog and a cat. The dog chased the cat stalked the bird. Such barking and squawking she never had heard. My poor head is aching, oh, what should I do? I think I will fix them a nice winter stew. It's warm and delicious and makes a fine treat. Besides, they are quiet whenever they eat. She cooked the brown stew in a large yellow vat and served them their dinner on top of a mat. The dog grabbed a bone and ran to the door. The gravy was dripping all over the floor. The bird snatched a dumpling. It dropped with a splat and quickly broke open all over the cat. The cat started hissing and with a loud wail took a swipe at the bird, almost snagging his tail. The bird flapped his wings. He took off in fright and in his great hurry banged into the light. The lamp toppled over and fell with a crash right into the pail that held all the trash. Skins of tomatoes shot into the air. Peels from potatoes plopped onto the chair. Slivers of carrots came jumping right out. Onions and scallions and bones from the trout. "Get out!" yelled Miss Pratt, and she showed them the door. She cleaned off the table. She mopped up the floor. Back through a window left open for air came the boisterous bird and the four-legged pair. They chased one another and dashed through the room, Miss Pratt running after and shaking a broom. "I've got to have quiet," Miss Pratt held her head. "I'll give you some taffy, then put you to bed." She brewed a dark liquid and with a big stick stirred it until it was thick. The warm, gooey taffy was smelling so sweet. The three pets were waiting and ready to eat. They tugged on the taffy and started to chew. The dog didn't bark. The cat didn't mew. The bird wasn't squawking. Their mouths were stuck fast. "And now," said Miss Pratt, "it is quiet at last." The end.